Recording, and here we go. We will I believe it's, we'll start on the left hand side. We'll just draw 4 packs, and then once the left hand side's done, we'll see when we get into it. I'm not exactly sure, but we'll draw the first 4 packs and then go from there, kind of thing. And then work our way to the right. It is open. Now the box is open. There we go. So we'll start from the right or left. Sorry. 1 pack, 2 packs. These kind of get bunched up. 3 packs. 4. Set this back here, and then we'll go 4 more down, all the way down. You guys can see there's still more, and then we'll go over to the right as we progress. So, good luck. Here we go. And I might, depending on how these packs open, I'm gonna very carefully cut the top of them so I can get into them. So I don't have to mess around with the, there we go. Don't have to mess around with pushing in and all that fun stuff. Messing up the cards. So here we go. Pack number 1. We got a Josh Jackson. Look at that, you can see my reflection. Josh Jackson, rookie card. John Lure. We got a silver Donovan Mitchell. Oh my gosh, right off the bat. First pack in. Oh my gosh. Let me, this is what I brought the One Touch for. Oh, look at that. Oh, who is it? John. He's here. Oh my good. Didn't even let us build up the suspense. First pack. What the heck? All right. I'm going to throw this in this, not throw it, sorry. Place this gently into the One Touch for you, John. I'm going to put a sleeve on top. Gently. I'm going to put this back on, because that is a great start. Ladies and gentlemen. Oh my gosh. Silver. Donovan Mitchell. Well, I don't think we could have started any better than that. I'm going to set that right there. Whoa. All right. Larry Nance. All right. Second pack. Again, I'm going to keep doing this. Pack number 2. Dario Saric. Anthony Davis. You got a CJ McCollum Fundamentals insert. And a Kemba Walker. So I looked up, does anyone know how much that one's worth? I looked up, I saw the Tatum.
About 120, 130 raw.
120, 130? Nice. I know the Tatum and like a PSA 10 is like $2,000 or $2,500 right now, but that's awesome. All right, pack number 3. Patrick McCaw. Paul Millsap. We got a green. Malcolm Brogdon. And a Courtney Lee. Matt, how you feeling right now, buddy? Oh, no. That's awesome. All right. Last pack of the mini break. Oh, that one opened good. Finally. Last pack of break number 1. That guy. I'm going to try and say his name. Delaney. Malcolm Delaney. And a red wave of a coach. Dave Georger. And Gallinari. So, here we go. Number 1 is done. Let me move these off to the side as to not mix them up with all the other ones. I'll take this off still just so I don't mix it up. I know who got it, but let me switch over and kind of scroll to break 2. Is that how it's going to work? Yeah. Okay, let me adjust this a little. Okay, so here's break 2, or mini break 2, however you want me to say it. And next pack on the left, next pack on the left, next pack on the left, and number 4. There we go. There's 4 packs. Oh man, that was nuts. I was not expecting that on the first pack. Okay, so break number 2. Here we go. Good luck. Everyone's in again. Another shot. New teams. Good or bad. But that was kind of the point of this. So, Rick Carlisle. Tony Bradley, the wrong Jazz rookie. We got Etwan Moore. And Steven Adams. These ones. Rookies, top loaded and sleeved and everything as we go. All right, pack 2. Got a Terrence Ross. Just making sure that some of them are sticking a little, but Terrence Ross. And is this our auto? Yep, this is our auto. For the Pelicans, Ian Clark. For the Pelicans. Who got the Pelicans? All the way at the bottom, Jason. Congratulations. It's not the guys we were looking for, but that works for you right there, doesn't it? Ian Clark. Dragic is our fundamentals insert. And our last card of this pack is a Wayne Selden Jr. Okay, 2 packs left. Here we go. make sure they're not sticking. Klay Thompson. That's a good name. And we got a silver. CJ McCollum Fundamentals. And another silver. Reggie Jackson. 2 silvers in 1 pack. And our last card is a Marc Gasol. Let me get these ones protected. Two silvers, 1 pack. Not bad. And last pack of Break 2. Mini Break 2. Rookie right on the top. Zizic. Markieff Morris. A Josh Hart Emergent. I believe that's, yeah, it's rookie. Emergents are always rookies. And a Denzel Valentine. Back when he played for the Lakers. And we did get a Celtics rookie here, but it's not what we were looking for. All right. So, set number 2 aside. Got an auto. All the other cards were obviously not as good as the first one, but we did get the auto, so it kind of made up for that. All right, let me move to the next break here. And just adjust this here. Okay. Break 3. Sorry if that's a little harder to read, but I mean, obviously I can tell you as we go. All right. Break 3. 4 packs from the left. 1, 2, 3, and the last pack on the left, 4. As you can see, we got all the other packs there on the right side. So, break number 3. This will be halfway after these are done. Got a new set of teams for everyone. Unless you get the same team, I guess. Technically, you could. Make sure these aren't stuck together. Dave Georger. We got an Ed Davis. And we got a silver. Trevor Booker. And our last card is a Troy Williams. So the Nets got a silver there. Pack number 2. Start off with a rookie. Get these metal ones are stuck together, but Jonathan Isaac for the Magic. Dellavedova. Fundamentals, Kawhi Leonard. And Michael Carter Williams. So we did get one rookie in there. Isaac was supposed to be pretty good, but never really panned out. Out of Florida State, I believe it was. Boom! There we go. Let's use the other one touch. Who's in there? We got the Celtics in this one. James. We'll throw this one in a one touch for you as well. I got a decent amount of them. Brand new ones, so. And why not, right? This has a card stuck to the back of it. There we go. Place it in the one touch for you, James. Congratulations. Throw a sleeve on top of her. We got both of them already. See if we can get some more. Tatum. I mean, I know these base aren't going for crazy raw, but it's still pretty cool. Bradley Beal. We got a Get Hyped of Gortat. Insert. And a Lance Thomas. Last pack. Of Break 3. Kelly Olynyk. These in the wrong spot. Ish Smith. And Lonzo Ball. Emergent. And there we go. And a Victor Oladipo. So there's Alonzo. Was playing pretty good for the Bulls this year, and then got hurt. It's kind of stunk. All right, so there's break 3. Got the Lonzo and the Jayson Tatum. Nice one there. Congrats, James. And let's move over to break 4. All right, break 4. New teams. Starting on the top right. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Still got some left in there. 4 packs. This is break 4. Good luck. All right, we got a Korkmaz rookie, Tobias Harris. We got a silver John Lure, and a Dwight Howard for the Hornets, even though he's wearing a Hawks jersey. This one here. Did get a rookie, Korkmaz. All right, pack number 2 in this break. Started off with the Draymond Green, Drew Holiday. We got a Fundamentals Carmelo, and Frank Ntilikina for the Knicks. Rookie. He was kind of didn't really pan out, but he was a good prospect. I think coming from overseas right away. But all right, pack number 3. Gorgie Dang, Trey Lyles, and we got a green. Luke Kennard green. There we go, and a Lou Williams. So, Pistons, Josh Alt with the Luke Kennard green. Retail green. Kennard. Pretty cool. And last pack of break number 4. DeMar DeRozan. Marco Bellinelli, De'Aaron Fox, Emergent. There we go. That's one of the other top names. And Kawhi Leonard. So, the Kings take this one, which is Dustin. So, there we go. Let me move break 4. Over. Break 4 at the De'Aaron Fox and the Luke Kennard. And let me move this to break 5. All right. Oops. Camera's going crazy. All right. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We got 4 packs left here in the end. We got break 5 up. Good luck. Pack number 1. Pack 1 of break 5. Vucevic, D'Angelo Russell. We got a green of Rudy Gobert. And Chandler Parsons. Green Rudy Gobert with his matching green uniform. Pack number 2. Buddy Hield. Tristan Thompson. And Fundamentals, John Stockton. And Amir Tich. Third pack of break 5. Got a coach off the bat, Brad Stevens. We got Kevin Love and a silver Wizards, Markieff Morris and a Lauri Markkanen. So that's not bad. That's one of the top rookies we're looking forward to. That's to the Bulls, which is John M. This one there. He was playing good for the Bulls in the playoffs there. All right, last pack of this mini break. Eric Bledsoe, Kelly Oubre Jr., and red wave Jonathan Isaac. There we go. For the Magic, which is Bobby. Oh, and Alonzo. For the Lakers, Nick. There we go. Decent little pack to end on. So the red waves are not numbered, just so you guys know. It's like the red wave and the greens are like that retail exclusive, I think. I believe. I don't know exactly, but that's what it looks like from the couple I've watched. So we got the Lonzo, the Lauri Markkanen, and Jonathan Isaac red, all from the same little mini break. So not bad. And we're down to our last 4 packs. Empty box. We move over to the last mini break of this box. Here we go. If you haven't got anything yet, I'm hoping this is the one for you. We got Dustin's with the Celtics yet again. And Matt with the Jazz. And I showed the last card for the first time in the whole break for some reason, because I was looking up at the teams. Pirtle. Stanley Johnson. Got a red wave. Jayson Tatum! Oh my gosh. Oh, I gotta go grab another one touch. One sec. Oh my goodness. Oh, who is it? Oh yeah, it was Dustin, right? Congrats, Dustin. Is he in here? I don't have the thing open, but because I have the spreadsheet. But all right, let me get this in here for you. And a one touch, so it is never be touched again till you touch it. All right, let me get this on here. What a box, Matt. I'm sorry, but thank you. Everyone say thank you to Matt. Look at that. Red Wave, I believe this is called. Jayson Tatum. Dustin, here's your picture if you want to take a screenshot. Oh my goodness. Paul George. All right. Let me, yeah, there we go. Oh, running over my cords. 1 sec. There we go. Dustin's still in here or no? He's not, is he? Let me ping him real quick. See if he hops back in. He didn't even see it. No faith, huh? See if he joins. Alright, pack number 2. Here we go. Good luck. James Johnson. Otto Porter. We got a Damian Lillard Get Hyped insert and a Corey Joseph. All right, pack number 3. Start off with a Ojale rookie. Jason Kidd, coach for the Bucks. Fundamentals, Vucevic. And our last card is a Carmelo Anthony. All right. We got 1 pack left in the whole box. Good luck. Start off with a Wesley Iwundo, I think that's how you say it. Rookie card. Evan Turner. And we got a Prizm Anthony Davis Silver. It's not too bad. And the last card is Nicholas Batum. All right. Wow. Somebody have a comp on that one? Raw? Or is everyone just done? Alright, move those into the number 6, break 6 spot. And I'll just show off some of the bigger cards. Jayson Tatum, Red Wave. We had in break 5. We had the Jonathan Isaac Red Wave, Markkanen, Alonzo Ball. And break 4, we had a De'Aaron Fox, Luke Kennard, green. Break 3, we had Alonzo Ball and the Jayson Tatum base. In break 2, we had the auto, Ian Clark. And in the first break, in the first pack, we had a silver Donovan Mitchell rookie card and a Malcolm Brogdon green. So there we go. Is that good? Is that good? I don't know. I think that's pretty good. Alrighty, guys. Did you have fun? Even if you didn't, maybe not. Brian, you must have ran out of luck on that last break, huh? Did you get anything, Nick?
got Alonzo.
Hey, oh yeah, that's right, Lonzo.
Yeah, I'll take it. I don't know if I get anything else.